I think I messed up. I tried to run my business without ERP, and let's just say it's been more chaotic than a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Imagine all your business processes from manufacturing to sales all tied up neatly in one system. That's ERP for you. Whether you're expanding faster than a teenager outgrowing shoes or just trying to streamline, ERP systems scale with you, making growth smoother than a well-oiled machine. No more scrambling to find information scattered across different platforms like a mad Easter egg hunt. With ERP, it's all there in one place, as orderly as queuing for a cuppa. And let's face it, staying organized isn't just about peace of mind, it's about pounds in your pocket. So why not let ERP take the wheel? It might just be the best co-pilot your business has ever had. Embrace the change, scale new heights, and watch your business transform. After all, who doesn't want to be the ringmaster of their own circus?